So it feels good to be back after a very long break. As you guys know, I was not feeling well, was kind of having these migraine attacks that I couldn't have any control of. So that's why I had to put a break on all the things that I like to do, especially riding and exploring. So that was the scene. But now we are back. So we are headed to somewhere that I'm going for the first time. I've seen in not many videos, but it's kind of an untouched beauty when it comes to Maharashtra and its vast number of places to explore. So that's where we are headed to. Obviously, after a long time, I'm riding, so I'll be obviously riding to my favorite place, which is beach. So that's where we are headed to. The weather as of now, it's drizzling in between, but hopefully it won't rain much. If it stays overcast like this, that would be enough. It's kind of a bit foggy inside my helmet, that's why I have to ride a bit carefully. That's one of the problems when you have to wear your spectacle and that's one of the issues that you have to manage when you're wearing glasses and riding. And it's Mumbai, so people just ride as per their own. So before the heavy traffic kicks in, but today it's a public holiday for Gandhi Jayanti, so hopefully we won't get too much of a traffic unless people are just riding off to or driving off to Alibag and Goa, So what won't be this early. I mean, after the sun rises, there will be like a lot of traffic to that side, and towards the weekend it will be towards the opposite, like towards Mumbai. आप भी आ रहे हैं अभी, आप भी अभी कैमरा में आ रहा है. A little bit of visibility problem because of the fog inside my helmet. So I will be back when there is some light, proper daylight, because otherwise vlogging and riding in these sort of condition, these sort of city nonsense condition, is a risky business. So I'm riding a bit slow, I know that, because it's almost after 2 months I'm riding, so I have to get back into that riding mode. But so far it's going well, and because it's a public holiday, not much of traffic, and I thought it would be raining when I left Mumbai, but here in Navi Mumbai it's all dry. See, it's all blue, clear sky, and I'm wearing all this rain gear. I think I'll remove it once I cross this part of the road. And I think also I have to wipe the visor. It's all dusty. Never expected the sun. It was all gloomy when I left Mumbai. But kya kare, it's unpredictable these days. I mean, the weather. It's hitting right on my face. Zero visibility. I think I'll get to use the sun visor a lot after a very long time, because it's been raining since June. Now this is the perfect weather. Not too hot, not too cold, not raining. Open roads. The perfect combination when it comes to the rider.